Another lovely Sunday morning. It's pretty steep climbing up there, a little out of breath. Welcome back to Swatara. We're doing an early morning hike. I'm not sure what the name of this trail is, but it's a red blaze. Sand Siding Hill parking lot is down to the left. I parked down there and walked up the trail. You can hear the cars zooming past on the interstate, and the boiler cabinet is a little bit down this way. Very beautiful in here. Birds are starting to sing. We're going to take a walk up this trail and across the cornfield at the top of the hill. So sit back and enjoy. Thanks for coming along on our Sunday morning hike. A lot of road noise back there on the interstate. Sound of spring is here. The birds are starting to sing their territorial song. You can hear the woodpeckers drumming in the morning. That's how they mark their territory too, by them drumming on dead trees or hollow logs. There was one on the side. There was one on the other side of the Swatara down there, hammering away. Hopefully the camera caught that. Jumped a flock of wood ducks with their whistling sound down here. It's very beautiful in here. Lots of hemlocks. This would be a hollow. This is what we call a hollow. It's kind of a mini ravine that goes back, and then it's where the water runs down that goes up, and then it's flat. There's a cornfield on the top. Somebody says I live back in a hollow, or a holler, depending upon what part of the country you live in. That's a hollow. Taking my time and enjoying as much of this as I can. So beautiful in here. The way everything kind of slopes down, and then this trail kind of follows the stream, and then it goes up the other side, and then down the other side, and then all the way up here. If you like videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Help my channel grow. As always, give it a like. It helps other people see this video. And as always, we will see you on the next video. Thanks for coming along this morning. We'll see you on the next one.